The secret of getting ahead is getting started. With courage, you will dare to take risks, have the strength to be compassionate, and the wisdom to be humble. Courage is the foundation of integrity. Give every day the chance to become the most beautiful of your life. Courage is resistance to fear, mastery of fear, not absence of fear. The two most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you found out why. The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read. It's not the size of the dog in the fight, it's the size of the fight in the dog. Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. If you tell the truth, you don't have to remember anything. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die at any time. What is the most rigorous law of our being? Growth. I was seldom able to see an opportunity until it had ceased to be one. A lie can travel halfway around the world, while the truth is putting on its shoes. Always do what is right. It will gratify half of mankind and astound the other. Don't go around saying the world owes you a living. The world owes you nothing. It was here first. It is noble to teach oneself, but still nobler to teach others, and less trouble. I have found out there ain't no surer way to find out whether you like people or hate them than to travel with them. Life is short. Break the rules. Forgive quickly. Kiss slowly. Love truly. Laugh uncontrollably. And never regret anything that makes you smile. Never refuse to do a kindness unless the act would work great injury to yourself, and never refuse to take a drink under any circumstances. The funniest things are the forbidden. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience. This is the ideal life. I was gratified to be able to answer promptly, and I did. I said I didn't know. Wrinkles should merely indicate where the smiles have been. When we remember we are all mad, the mysteries disappear and life stands explained. It is better to keep your mouth closed and let people think you are a fool than to open it and remove all doubt. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat 2 frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first. All you need in this life is ignorance and confidence, and then success is sure. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than anything on which it is poured. Suppose you were an idiot, and suppose you were a member of Congress. But I repeat myself. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. In the first place, God made idiots. That was for practice. Then He made school boards. Don't let schooling interfere with your education. I am an old man and have known a great many troubles, but most of them never happened. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do the day after tomorrow. Buy land. They're not making it anymore. Get your facts first, then you can distort them as you please. A man who carries a cat by the tail learns something he can learn in no other way. Go to heaven for the climate, hell for the company. You can't depend on your eyes when your imagination is out of focus. The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you'd rather not. The lack of money is the root of all evil. Do the thing you fear most, and the death of fear is certain. The best way to cheer yourself up is to try to cheer somebody else up. Truth is stranger than fiction, but it is because fiction is obliged to stick to possibilities. Truth isn't. There are basically 2 types of people. People who accomplish things and people who claim to have accomplished things. The first group is less crowded. The human race has one really effective weapon, and that is laughter. Humor is mankind's greatest blessing. Never pick a fight with people who buy ink by the barrel. Clothes make the man. Naked people have little or no influence on society. Be careful about reading health books. you may die of a misprint. Don't part with your illusions. When they are gone, you may still exist, but you have ceased to live. When you fish for love, bait with your heart, not your brain. We have the best government that money can buy. Every human is pathetic. The secret source of humor itself is not joy but sorrow. There is no humor in heaven. Life would be infinitely happier if we could only be born at the age of 80 and gradually approach 18. Climate is what we expect. Weather is what we get. Grief can take care of itself, but to get the full value of a joy, you must have somebody to divide it with. Thank you so much for watching until the end. And if there's any more quote you would like to add, please leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to join our big family, so you won't miss out on any notes of quotes. To share it to your friends so they can use the knowledge too. And until the next time, stay in knowledge mode.